you right. You want to get away.
Back up, Alpha. And so am I, gentlemen. So am I.
This is peaceful protest. Peaceful. This is peaceful. Peaceful protest.
Everybody.
You got enough violence. You got enough violence. Peaceful.
Better control it.
Got you what you got.
Hey,
Just calm down.
Peaceful.
Don't come up that way.
We got enough violence.
16-year-old autistic boy. Where you go, folks?
He asked for it.
Where you go? You want to go, retard? Come stand in my face, you redneck bastard. You want to talk about my boy? You want to call my boy a retard?